Hi, Barry Cross. Welcome back to my channel. In today's LeadsLeap review, we're going to look at a new feature, which is a strategy to stop emails going straight into the spam folder. So I'm in the back of my LeadsLeap account, and you'll see here it says what's new, how to check spamminess of your email. Find out more in our blog. So LeadsLeap is free to join. There'll be a link in the description. And this is the LeadsLeap blog. It's a brand new post, how to check the spamminess of your email. The great thing about LeadsLeap is all the instructions, even though I will mentor you one-to-one, all the instructions are given to you step by step on how to use all the different features within the platform. So how does this actually work? Well, it's thanks to one of our fellow members. We've added a simple way for you to check the spamminess of your email before sending it to your list. So the most important thing, the number one vital factor, most important thing above anything else is to get your email into the inbox and not the spam folder. And that's before you create the subject title for them to click on and open it, before you create all the copy that's going to convert into sales or give value to your subscriber. If you're not getting your email into the inbox, you are wasting your time. So this tool is absolutely superb. So what you will do is LeadsLeap give you a free contact manager, a free email autoresponder, and you'll just see an icon in there, and you can send a little test. And then the next step is when you see click. When you click, you'll see a little pop-up box, and then by default, so automatically, the test email will be sent to your LeadsLeap account email, and then you can test. You get a little score. So this is absolutely great. So you then go to mailtester.com. So I'll click on there now and just show you exactly what that looks like. So mailtester.com gives you the score of your email that you're going to send out. So this is absolutely superb. So it says here, Mail Tester will then check your email and give you a detailed breakdown of how you can improve your email, like the one shown above. So it even gives you, it doesn't just give you a score, it gives you all the little ways you can improve everything and make sure you get that email delivered into the inbox. It says here, don't be a perfectionist. Doesn't need to be 10 out of 10 to get your email delivered. 10 out of 10 doesn't mean your email will surely be delivered, but it just gives you an idea of exactly what sort of level you need to be looking at to get that deliverability. Treat it as a way to help you write better newsletters, ignore mail server issues, because that's our responsibility, not yours. And there's a limit of 3 tests per day, so you've got to ration your tests accordingly. So a great tool there from LeadsLeap. If you're not a LeadsLeap member, then click the link in the description. That will take you to a page like this, and you'll see here, join for free. And LeadsLeap has got all the tools that you need. Free traffic, free tools, free money, and testimonials. So everything you need. I'll show my little list here. Free to join, link in the description. Free tools to build any online business. So that's with the free, even with the free option, you can do that. Free members can even earn residual income with LeadsLeap. So if you want to promote LeadsLeap and give away these free tools and traffic, then you can earn residual income. And the great thing about that is it includes buyers. I always talk a lot about this within my videos. You must be advertising where the buyers are, and it's got tools, traffic, income, and training. So I use it every single day in my online marketing. So please give me a like if you've enjoyed this video. Click that big blue thumbs up, and that will help me in my YouTube algorithm. I'd appreciate that. Thank you very much. Click subscribe and the bell icon for notifications if you don't want to miss out any of my future videos. I've now done over 250 videos on tools, traffic, training, social media, free, paid, list building, building a YouTube channel. So there's lots of great information here if you're looking to make money online. And if you want some more information on LeadsLeap, I've done a playlist with, I think, let's have a look in here now, the LeadsLeap playlist. It's got 10 videos in there, and I will pin that playlist to the top comment under this video if you want to watch more little review videos on the different functions and features of LeadsLeap. So thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video, and I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thanks a lot, and bye for now.